30th August, we had our first ESG event. ESG.com members and some hosts volunteered to clean the beach. Vivian Young brought little Caleb and her husband to join us. Look how gorgeous Nikita is. GM was actually having the flu, but he still came to do his part. This is GM picking up cardboard, whilst John and Nicholas was busy picking up trash as well. Look at the amount of trash they picked up. John and Nicholas were super concentrating that they didn't even notice the camera filming them. And John later proudly showed off his lips.
Nice one.
So this is actually our S portion, which is the social corporate responsibility activity that we are doing in a small contribution to the environmental impact. So we are going to be doing more of this sort of events, to meet our corporate goals.
I find a lot of debris, plastics, styrofoams, and tissue papers.
Okay, so this has to be the weirdest thing I found today. This is a Bristol brush, and it looks like a broken part. I'm not sure why you can find this on the beach, but amongst the other things that we have found, straws, bottle caps, used drinks, styrofoam boxes, tissue paper. So all these things do not disintegrate easily. So next time you come to the beach, do try to bring your own trash bags and clean up your mess.
Please keep Singapore clean. Thank you for us all. Thank you. Bye-bye.